A viewer had recently asked about the uses of this Vicks Vaporub inhaler. Let us see the answer in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, health related explanations are provided via videos which are released every week. If you want to see such videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. Also press the bell notification adjacent to it to get instant notifications whenever the new videos are released. This week's video is about Vicks Vaporub. Now, usually I avoid using brand names. Okay, but why did I use this time? So because this is one of the most iconic brands associated with this Vaporub. Even though there are other brands, this is the most iconic or the most often used brand. So I have used this brand. So here we will see the scientific aspects about this. What are the active ingredients present in this Vaporub? There is menthol, there is camphor, there is eucalyptus oil, there is petrolatum jelly, there is turpentine oil, and there are other inactive ingredients. This is available as a Vaporub or as an inhaler form. Okay. What is this used for? This is used for usually nasal block, nasal congestion associated with common cold. Can we use it? Is it scientifically advisable? Is it scientifically proven? Yes, studies done scientifically have shown that this has an effect in relieving nasal congestion, nasal block, and improving nighttime sleeping. It doesn't have so much of an effect on running nose or secretions from the nose, but anyway, this has a short-term effect on this. This is not correcting the disease, but anyway, common cold itself is a short-lived infection. So if you relieve the symptoms, the disease itself will get cured. So it is fine to use this. But can we use this universally? Everybody can we use it? No, obviously you can't. This is not supposed to be used in less than 2-year-old children because this contains camphor, and camphor can cause dangerous effects in especially less than 2-year-old children, including seizures, which I have explained in a separate video about camphor toxicity in children. You can see that. The link I will put it in the description below. Even other ingredients, if taken excessively, can result in problems. Even this petrolatum, if inhaled excessively, can even result in pneumonia, chemical pneumonias. So not to be used aggressively, excessively. But if used properly, more than 2-year-old children and adults can get benefit in common cold as well as few muscle pains, usually associated with simple cold and fever. So this can be used. How to use this? You can rub this over the chest or over the muscle where it pains. Usually it is not advised to rub it over the nose because this is a very sensitive area, as well as by inhaling you can get even more effects. So this is advised not to be directly applied on the nose. Can you use inhaler? Similar is the case. If you use excessively more than 3 times a day, can result in problem. So use up to 3 times a day. How long can we use this? Probably, as common cold itself is a short-lived infection, it should not be used for more than 5 to 7 days. What will happen if you use it excessively? We have seen some people using it for months together. Primarily, we have to understand this can result in not addiction per se, but a bad habit formation. But even more importantly, if you have symptoms continuously, it might indicate a different disease. You might have allergic rhinitis or some other form of rhinitis, okay, which you might be mistaking for common cold and using inhalers or Vaporubs continuously. And if you use these things continuously, these themselves may lead on to rebound phenomenon and a disease called rhinitis medicamentosa. So these should not be used without medical supervision beyond a period probably for say 5 to 7 days. After that, if your symptoms remain, it is prudent to visit the doctor. Even though you don't have any other serious symptoms, it is still worthwhile to visit a qualified medical professional. So a short-term use in more than 2 years old in non-pregnant individuals can be of benefit. Even in them, if you have an allergic reaction, if you develop redness or rash following the use of this, it is better to avoid this. As a short-term over-the-counter measure, you can use this in simple colds and muscle pains. Hopefully, this would have cleared the confusion regarding the uses of Vicks Vaporub or inhaler. If you found this video useful, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.